先讀起先來關心美國總統川普簽署行政命令，將原底建議美國的兒童愛注18項預防針減少到11項，而且是要求將一支3合1的 MMR 疫苗聽做3劑來注。川普就強調，這疫苗甲囡仔的自閉症是有牽連的。不過，醫學界甲世界衛生組織就警告講，安尼恐驚是予囡仔面對着愈濟本地會當預防的疾病風險。
Effective immediately, my administration is recognizing gold standard childhood vaccine recommendations for only 11 core vaccinations against the most serious and dangerous diseases, along with the MMR, which hopefully will be split up.
美國總統川普8月7日在白宮辦公室簽訂一項行政命令，對美國囡仔人類型的預防針計劃增加限制，預防針對18項減到11項，要求 MMR 混合預防針，也就是膜仔、德國膜仔、豬頭皮會聽做注3劑。川普表示講，囡仔人佇咧同時間注遐爾濟種預防針有危險，也可能甲造成自閉症有關係。
Where they have a vaccination that looks like the size of a bottle of soda poured into a little child's body, and bad things happen in too many cases, because this is an explosion, this is an epidemic.
有小兒科醫師指出，美國並無核准任何一項單一抗原膜仔、德國膜仔、豬頭皮的預防針。川普的命令真惡落實，分開自恐驚會加重家長的負擔，顧到上好的注射時機。醫師出身的共和黨參議員凱西迪也公開批評川普，講強調預防針佇咧大多數情形之下安全有效，也袂造成自閉症。
Potential link between vaccines and autism has been studied in over 40 well-designed, methodologically well-designed studies in over 7 countries involving over 5 million children. And the answer is unequivocally no. There is no such link.
世界衛生組織也呼籲全世界目前注預防針的安排安怎注偌濟，攏有經過數十年的科學證明。因希望各國的公衛政策會當用科學專業，莫去因為政治因素去予後一代來承擔沉重的健康代價。公視新聞鄭偉仁、吳其昌編譯。